Hello everyone and welcome to another room tour here on the Golden Guys UK. So today we are in the Thistle Hotel Heathrow Runway View as well. So it's a superior runway view room. It's a pretty standard room. We've got our nice big bed with bedside cabinets. One drawback, there is no plug sockets here. I've just spotted one plug socket down here on the wall, but that is it. Your nearest plug sockets are here. Now we have only just got in, so just chucked everything everywhere and thought, let's do some filming now while there's still some good light. Actually, it's not bad light here. You've got the two bedside lights, and I'll try the other lights later. I think there's only one other light potentially here, but I don't actually even know where the light switch is. Johnny's just going to try and have fun now. There's one light there. I got a light there. That's it. Oh, what's that one doing? Oh, we got lights. So you got your standard vanity area, a nice little chair, and what's in these drawers? A couple of drawers there. That's got Johnny's stuff in the hairdryer in. It doesn't normally come with a bag and phone. Vanity chair, nice big TV actually. Do you know what's quite good for this one? You've got air conditioning unit as well. Quite a lot of UK hotels don't have aircon, they just have heating. So it's got an aircon. We've got a big wardrobe going back this way. Safes in there as well with spare towels and a load of hanger stuff and an iron. Got a little coffee area, little teas and coffee making and luggage storage with a lovely yellow stain on it, I've just noticed. Yeah. One good thing about this room, we're going to go back this way in a minute, come here. I don't know if you can see this view. Like I said, we've got a superior runway view. We are at the very end of Heathrow runway. So we'll see them all taking off. I think they're taking off from the other runway at the minute because it's all going that way. But I'm going to be watching that a little bit later. Next all important bit. So next part is the bathroom. Let's go and have a look at the bathroom. I'm not going to come in because it's a little bit tiny, but you have the toilet there, sink, shower. Do you know what I'm going to do? Let's do a shower test. Not bad. For a tall person, normally the showers come to here on me. So I'm not going to obviously turn it on because I'm in my clothes and I've got my shoes on. And I'll make sure Johnny is over there so he definitely can't turn the shower on me. You got some, yeah, got some little tiny soaps and shower gels there. It is a pretty standard one, but I have just realised there's only one towel in here. So that extra towel in the wardrobe isn't spare, it is for a second person. It's not the most up-to-date hotel. It's nice, it's clean, it's got fantastic views when you're this way. The hotel reception looks beautiful. The parking, we drove around for a little bit trying to find parking because it's a bit confusing, the parking here. We paid to leave the car here. Top of my head I can't remember how much it is, but it isn't that expensive to leave your car here while you go, and then we're going to be later getting a pod that takes us straight to Terminal 5. So for Terminal 5 stay, it's not bad. It's going to be a nice hotel hopefully to stay in. Once again, thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for watching our video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Also, leave a comment. It's great fun to start a conversation. But for now, that's it from us. Safe travels, and thank you for being a friend.